Lady JJ, how fun? How you dey? Wetin dey happen?
I did all right. I did okay. How my weekend go?
Yeah, where you go for Valentine's Day? Did you
I
go
not
out?
go anywhere.
You don't do self-love?
I take myself go. You know, see my video
on that February 14th.
I go one of these. It is no far.
Okay.
Treat myself to breakfast. Something way beside I don't dey crave for a while now.
Okay.
Custard and moi moi. That now for breakfast. So I think say okay. Maybe by evening I go take myself out again. But I know my body don't move one come since Thursday, so I can't feel am again. I say, you know what, to make I just go as rest. Maybe a few days later.
Okay.
So I can't take myself out on Sunday afternoon, and I said, you know, we got our Ankara night on Saturday.
Yeah.
On Saturday, so I went to share something with you, Seth. Something happened on that Saturday. And that Saturday morning, nobody had to go for rehearsal. So before rehearsal, I go on eat way no far from church, go chop. They never had to start like that, but na jollof rice with beef, nine then get. I struggle to eat that jollof rice. I don't know why. I know if finish am.
It's too much. Is it too much?
No, it's small. Normal quantity. I said, okay, make them pack the remaining for inside the takeaway. Add one portion of plantain. But eventually, when I see person say, they hungry, say yes. I say, no, me too. Chat take. So when I come here to prepare for our Ankara night, I can't go one of those eateries, say, may at least make I fortify myself before Ankara night. I couldn't say, but I don't chop this morning. I go sure I go finish this food. Now the food where I buy, they say this one come with a complimentary turkey. So just buy the now the rice they pay for.
Okay.
Now the person they sell and say, look, Kuku buy this one, because if you buy another
protein
food, you will need to buy
extra protein.
You will need to buy pay for the protein.
Okay.
But this one now just the rice they pay for.
Okay.
The turkey they
FOC.
I said, they couldn't give me two. I not be turkey person, but then give me two, no problem. Surprise! I chopped that food finish. I said, what's going to happen for money where I no fit chop?
Maybe you don't get appetite at that time.
I don't know what will happen. But eventually Sunday I take myself out. I even post them for Instagram. So what I chop now? Irish potato with fish sauce. I won't buy 1 liter natural orange juice where I never get in a long time. You know, so that's one of the things where I do
for yourself,
for myself.
Abi.
And my friend can't say because she they sell clothes. She say she did some of the clothes where she they sell they on sales. So I can't buy like 2 from her. One of them I just wear. So at least I know say I do something.
Yeah, so
now
today you wear your own touch of red because your shoes.
I wear touch of red yesterday. Now you no see me.
No, I don't see your touch of red. Now today I see your touch of red. Then on your yellow suit, there's still a touch of red for the pocket. Okay, that's good. But at the end of the day, if you don't take care of yourself, who will?
No.
You know, who will? Me, so I give my own earlier, but me not spa. Me, I go.
You go spa.
I go spa.
Wow.
So that's spa.
I really want to go spa.
Yes.
But I feel like saying that's something I go do before my birthday, and I want them to go do for myself for my birthday.
So that's why I go. So when I first reached there, they helped me to scrub my body. I was naked. They scrubbed all my body. They went to everywhere to do the scrubbing. After the scrub finished, I can't stay enter sauna. I sit down for sauna for like, I think 15 to 20 minutes inside the sauna, and I can't go bathroom bath. After come bath,
you bath yourself.
And I don't be there and bath me. But funny enough, we get one of that place. We say when I go for spa there, now Onyibo they bath me. I know they use my hand come on water like this. Now the Onyibo, she go do everything. You know, still bath me, John. I would just they look like they pour me water. I say, oh, life is good.
so you try imagine what babies they enjoy.
You understand? So that's it goes bath because say, madam, you know, say now we say, madam, turn. I go give it turn, show her my back. She go slap my mom like this, put water.
Wow.
So
Becca,
but our own spa, it costs fast. This place where I go because our own they very expensive, but I they enjoy their own past this place. Where
I know. I they try imagine.
No, now she bath me. She because I see scrub on my. Now then they scrub on my body. So, but for that one, for this one where I go on the 13th, so I do everything finish, and after that one they can still massage they massage me because I don't complain for waist pain. Because I say the weight where they lift for gym, they too heavy.
They too heavy, so they affect your waist.
So they help me massage them. They help me hold my waist well, massage them. After I finish with that one again, I can't go do facials for the same place. I just slide down like this.
Just massage your face.
No, my face they call they do. I sleep. So I say, oh God, life is good. God, please, can I just be doing this maybe once in 2 months or once in a month? But the money is because now island now, so the money is
the money dead here. But I know say I don't they crave going to this spa, so now something where I go do towards my birthday. At least one of my birthday gifts to myself.
Lady J, they say waiting. Did you just say your body they do you somehow? Say you don't go count calendar.
Hey,
say if you still they confused, maybe go do test. He said, make sure not be waiting. They think. And where is R&B now that you need him?
Oh God. What do people they think? What do people they think? Oh wow. And now you see now they start this R&B talk tomorrow night. We say anything now go carry a proko go give them. Now they start the fight now. But I beg, more now they think go that far. They know he no reach. Their matter no reach that place at all.
Lady Day, continue. Now only you they carry yourself out every time. Both of you continue. Becca, I can do massage too. I'm very good. My name is George from Railway.
John from Railway.
George
from Railway. You they say I take myself. If I don't take myself out now, when I want to if I watch video of a friend of mine where they talk to him babe, they give him reasons why he love him, and he say he love how they take care of herself. So she get her hair routine, she get her skin routine. So those routines they show say she love herself enough to take care of herself, to pamper herself. Say he no one be with woman when no love herself. So now that I learn say taking care of yourself now love language to your body, to yourself, to tell yourself say I love me enough to want
to look good.
You know. So if you think say looking good now just to attract man,
but say Lady J, the previous relationships where me don't be, where I don't enter rather, I know, but because I dey really take care of myself, I get this because sometimes they did here from Monday to Friday, but when I go home, I dey always every time I make sure say I do something to my face, either me using face mask or putting clay. There's a clay this the way I put on my face too for my clay mask, or maybe I dey use gua sha. Gua sha?
I don't hear about them.
I dey use gua sha to take off the wrinkles on my face and everything. So I remember those times when I did relationship as I dey do for myself, I would tell my bobo say, when you get time, make her do your facials too. And even before then, I remember when I still their house, I did do facials for my parents, my dad and my mom. And it was, I don't know, it'd be like family bonding at that time. It did very, very fun. I just remember now. So those times, my dad, my mom too, I always do facials for them, and it was so much fun. But if you as a man, if you get a woman where they take care of herself, just be rest assured. So somehow she go take care of you too. Somehow you go they steal from her skincare products they use.
I don't they like to always make reference to, but before I decide to say, okay, I go do the whole full body work, because one of my friends, her name now, I don't know that she did listen. I don't call her name. She don't always tell me say everybody knows say I know they take my hair play.
Yeah.
She always talk say I wish say the kind care way they give your hair.
Yeah.
They give your skin, your body. It just be like say I feel go the whole 9 years, go any length for my hair.
That's what I noticed.
But I know they do that.
You know what? I will try to bring it to the other side now.
So
that
you
don't do only your hair. You're going to do your skin joint.
I don't start my do and skin joint. Should be they see the changes.
But the next one, what you go they collect beauty this thing.
No.
I don't understand.
I don't want that one.
Why not?
Give me spa, I go spa. Give me scrub, I go do the scrub.
The other one, so you go they collect beauty infusion.
No.
Now not say make you come under knife.
I know. Surgery. I know no be surgery.
Why you say no?
But no.
Lady J, be open to change. Be open to new things.
Open to change that. No. I don't take care of my skin now.
Be open to new things.
I open to new things.
And small by small. Before now, I know they collect that one too, but now they collect another. But you too, very soon you go join us.
I hear you. You go drag me, Abi.
Becca, please, I beg go share that Oyibo guy. Sorry, say that Oyibo woman wey baff you, they baff men too. Albino from Mushi.
Albino.
Where I will ask. I don't know if they bath man too, but I go ask if they bath man too.
I sure say they bath man, a man go bath man.
I don't know.
I just they talk.
I beg Becca come. I'm a specialist in stretching the body, and we make you feel relief afterwards. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your consideration.
Lady J, I can do spa for you voluntarily.
I hear you.
So he say go do the spa for you voluntarily.
Himself, or he go pay for the spa.
I don't know if he say
you need to specify what he need to talk about.
He say if he do it for you voluntarily.
You want use your hand, abi you go pay for the spa.
He don the type. So I
specify.
He go respond. He go to let us know if he go do am for you specially.
Or he go pay. One of them.
He say na do am for you.
I beg you, no. Nah, mba.
Wahala.
If you fit tell me your reasons, I fit consider.
Wahala. All right, maybe go to the gist today. Lady JJ, he get one lady for XAK Twitter. Her name na Rems.
Okay.
He say he just find out recently say he auntie husband gets son pikin outside the marriage.
Wait.
And
rephrase.
He say she just find out say her auntie husband, yes, get son outside their marriage.
Get son after their marriage.
Outside their marriage. And
okay.
she dey 100% sure say the auntie no know about her, and they been married for 18 years.
Wow, that na a long time to deceive anybody.
He say he go out with her own boyfriend and he come meet the auntie husband with a strange woman at the eatery. He say he didn't see me because I hid, not like I was doing anything wrong, but because I've never liked the man in question. The boy called him daddy. My aunt and this man in question have 3 girls, no boy. They live in the east, but I saw him in Lagos.
Wow.
So I tailed him with my boyfriend and found out where they lived and went there the following day. There is a malam that sells something at their gate, so I showed him his picture and told him I'm looking for my uncle, and if he knew if he's married. He said yes, na here in they stay, and that the man don't travel this morning, but madam they inside.
Hey God.
He said, and I was on that conversation with the malam. The said boy came out and asked him if he knew the man showing me his picture. He said yes, so say na him papa be that. Lady come talk say she no fit sleep, say the matter too heavy. He say but as the matter been, I say as she don't get the address and picture of this boy, say she no know if to tell the auntie, say because she dey loyal to the woman. He say I want to tell her, but where do I start? My boyfriend has been saying we should do anonymous email to her with evidence. Say make she no go meet the auntie, tell her myself. Say maybe then make them do anonymous email send to her. If say make the woman go there go checkmate, wetin dey happen.
This one a very very sensitive, oversensitive matter. Somebody don't ask this question before for talk to me last year. Say her friend husband, she know where the man they stay.
Okay.
The man go tell them saying they go official travel, but get girlfriend and she know where the man. That is, she know with the man where. So she said, make she tell this her friend. Now to tell them say, as painful as it sounds,
yeah,
it no concern you. No, insert yourself inside this matter, because let me tell you, even if you tell them and yes, it come blow out,
yeah,
they go always point them to you, say na you na in cause kasala.
But if the auntie come later know and she can't realize say you knew but you no tell them, she go still accuse you of not being.
Yeah, I understand how her auntie go feel, but the auntie also need to understand say this particular situation, not be this girl part,
no be her jurisdiction,
no be her duty to tell, no be her duty to tell. As painful and as loyal as she did to her, na very sensitive matter. Best way I go advise this girl na say, okay, if it dey bother you, I know if na me go bother me, but rather than insert myself or go involve somebody, I go rather go meet somebody where I know say then respect well and tell them my findings, so that making go do his own findings, confirm. Then when he confirm the findings, he say okay, make I go confront the man, make we start with the man, make we confront him and ask him why he decide to do it he do. than for her to go and put herself inside. Because she go tell the woman, the lady,
the auntie,
the auntie now. You know how we women be.
Yeah.
We dey very emotional. We dey react before we even sit down and think about the logical solutions. This woman no go think anything logical.
So indirectly now the other one where the boyfriend say make they do anonymous, make she no do
make
that
she
one.
No do that one. Instead, make she go find somebody where you know say the man they respect where and tell am say see my findings, see wetin I see.
Okay.
See wetin happen. And then show am her proof. It's okay, fine. Now wetin happen? No problem. We go investigate the matter.
Okay. All right. Make I just say I just go in line with Lady J, but me, if I see the man, Odu Buruku Mafimabu, I would look am with. If maybe I just go visit this my auntie, I see this man. My body no go. No, see,
may I tell you something?
Look like this, like look at this man.
May I tell you
this
something?
This man is a man.
Now it get a relative of ours we don't die. Now years back when we get accommodation issue as a family, so Inge was one of the way as well we dey stay. Now he get the whole compound to fleet of a block of flats. One side it don't finish, the other side is still they uncompleted till today. I don't know that they don't finish them. So one of those days now in drive come the compound and we greet them. So we think say he even one can't see how the work they go on. So he call enter. Now the downstairs it be like say some rooms they completed. As we they stay outside they play, we can't see one lady wear glasses, follow the back, enter. How old I be that year? I be about 14 years old.
You don't old.
Now I shock, but we no say no being wife. We shock. We say so we get girlfriend. We no go calling. I go calling him. So uncle, this get girlfriend. Okay. When they finish, they come out. Enter that time. One of the happening cars back then at 505. One of the happening cars then say you they happen, you get money na 505. So of course come out, enter the car, then drive come, then go. But I don't know time for mine say he gets girlfriends. But not me. They will kill me now.
And you know say they will talk so you be child self.
Now. She just say I don't mind her body beating where I go collect.
Therefore beat you.
Therefore beat me where so I could just.
But they still together till now.
I don't know. I thought you said the man don't die some years ago.
Okay. Wow. Now wow, it is well with their soul. So it gets one other matter where we say you get one female teacher. You know, this female teacher get belle for his students. Carry and go meet his husband.
Wait. The teacher get belle
for his students. But it's not in Nigeria.
How old be these students?
Well, the teacher are 26 and I think the student are 17.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So this teacher right now, they don't convict her of say she gets sexual relationship with her student and she dey face prison time, but she go serve out her sentence on top probation. So they said for November last year, the woman will be 26, the lady, no be woman, last woman, will be 26-year-old Shani Nicole Despin. And so she plead guilty to a charge of improper relationship between educator and student after they reveal say they get sexual relationship with students. And this student is 17 years old. We attend Rockdale High School for Texas. Say for there, they look older than their age. There was one guy where beside I meet the guy. Now when I go, you can meet the guy. The guy now just how old was he? I think he was 30. But the guy be like the one very daddy. But when I ask him, say, please, how old are you? Tell me age. I say, but you're still young. How come you look like white hair? Don't fool everywhere. You have full everywhere. I can't say well for some people when they get white hair, it could be stress. Some people, if they natural like genetics or whatever.
I get you.
But you say you own stress, but he looks so old, like very very old. Well,
could be stress.
The reason why I just talk about that because I know say people they look older than their age.
No, I know sometimes their foods they help matters. They inject their protein with a lot of chemicals.
True.
So that one go come make them big big in that kind of thing. So they help. They help matters. So and if you don't watch this movie, jump in the broom.
No, I never watched.
You need to watch it because one of the ladies there about at what age? As at the movie inside the movie, she said she be about I think 30 something. Now the guy come meet and say, he no say in be small boy, but if you can feel good, she can ask him say how old you be. I know one they call arrest me for child abuse.
Yeah.
She can't say him be how old? Is he 18? I be going on 18, 19 thereabout. He said, but if he make him feel good, now she say that one no change the date on your birth certificate, you know.
Exactly.
So those things they there. Even me, I know how many I don't block
because they love you.
Because say I they interested in you. I got one of them ask. I say you know my age.
Lady, wait. May we finish this gist first before we come back to this young one.
Okay.
So they say this madam. They say she can't resign from her role
as a teacher.
Yes, for September. After investigation where they reveal the inappropriate relationship. So Spain, this woman, now after she don't resign, come on, now she can't find and say she don't get belle with DNA test showing say husband no be the papa.
Oh,
however, they hide the paternity of the child from her husband until everything come blow up. Proof of grooming they can't find her for her phone with text message when she profess love to this 17-year-old boy, plus footage of them having sex where they been find on top the snapshots where they record themselves. So surrendering for November 7, the woman actually can't come and can't surrender herself. See they can't charge her with child pornography and improper relationship. So however, during the sentencing where they do, I think some time ago, they say the district judge John W. Youngblood can't place the Spain on a 10-year probation. So the former teacher now don't forfeit her license as a teacher for the offense for which she don't plead guilty to, where no require her to be registered as a sexual offender. So I cut the long story short, before the whole paternity test where they do, the husband they think say na him get the pikin, not knowing say na one of the children where the teacher teach na him get the pikin.
Maybe I suppose ask this question before I talk about my own self. I said, how then find out say something don't happen?
They say they do paternity test. Say they do
before the
DNA.
Paternity test. Waiting how then get to the point where they know say this teacher they do something.
Now after investigation, then
the
find
boy go
everything
report.
out. Now the teacher after the DNA test, she can't find out say no be her husband get the
belle. So she
go carry
confess.
herself. She can't carry herself. Go police now. Go report herself. So they can't do investigation, and for her Snapchat too, they be see some video where both of them being do chichonyo. Together and the rest of them. But now I know just
so this 10-year probation I'm waiting.
Now 10-year probation they still give them, and of course they say she don't forfeit her teacher's license already. Based on top. I just imagine what her husband go feel. Knowing say that the student
you dey married, you dey go find
the student na give her husband, her wife belle. I mean, so now why they talk say DNA they very very compulsory so that you go know if
it just dey sad now saying these days now you born pikin they won't do DNA test.
It is well alright, Ofejiro don enter the studio. Me they pack my load go. Lady there you go give them that your own gist later when I don't come out, because some people they wait for that your own gist.
Alright, many thanks to you for watching. I beg may you try like and subscribe to this page so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.